no left turn out of that parking lot. Because Subaru. Yeah! Go. Go, go. And try the stop sign, you dumbass. Nice truck, huh? Stop! Holy fuck. Yep. Blow the red light, no problem. Can you wait till I get off the fucking brake pedal, you fucking Toyo turd scumbag? Now make an effort, just stop. Did you stop, Tesla? You did not stop, Toyo turd. And neither did Audi hole. And neither did RAV4. I stopped. I'm going. Thank you. Do you know what stop sign means? That side of the road, douche. Nice camper. Should probably have lights on those things, stupids. Oh, yeah. Put your logs in, dude. Get out of my house. Well, you block of the stop. Yeah. That's what I thought. That was an illegal pass. A little closer, dude, right on here. Man, he just ran the red. He just ran the red arrow. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, that's a no passing zone. You want me to fucking understand? Yes, that's right turn only. Get off my fucking ass. Asshole. Don't run the light. Don't run the light. Don't run the light. You very much ran the light. Oops. Those are red light runners. What the hell are you doing? You're doing that. All right. That's a one-lane ramp. That's cut off. Hi, read the signs, thank you. You too, thank you. Thank you, stop. That was a cutoff. Hi, get a stop sign. Wait, that's no turn on red. Oh, Jesus! What the fox was that?